Okay, here is the zf5 that I took out of my truck. When I first bought this transmission, I don't remember if one of the ears was broken off or both of them, so I welded this piece of rectangle aluminum. It's 1 by 1.5 by just over 7 inches. But because I know these ears break off, this one I think is the later design. It's not two separate ears. It's got this extra rib in the center there, so that's what I'm trying to do, make it strong like that one. This one, the whole back half broke off, so I welded it all together, but I couldn't get it oil tight. It was still leaking. And then I started to get some noise from the transmission. I don't know if it's because I ran it low on oil, or you can see I welded it all around. This thing was totally off. And I don't have a TIG welder, just a spool gun for my MIG. So this is the transmission that I'm going to put in. And it's the older version with the 2 ears. There was no web in there before. So I'm going to take a piece of this same thing. It's 1 by 1.5 rectangle, just to fit in here. Then I'll weld it here, all around, up here, and then inside. I'm going to bolt the mount on first. Then I'll weld where I can see at least some tacks. And then I'll take the mount off and weld it solid. I buzzed this thing together. Welded it on all the sides. Now I just have to knock this part flat so the mount will fit on here nice and flat. Should be a bit stronger. Alright, see, I can ground it smooth.